One brave superhero parrot, and 10 tricky trials leading to a giant cake. He spots that cake far away, and oh wow, he wants it so bad. Trial 1. Cloud stones. Only the bright ones are safe to step on. Uh-oh, the stones keep changing. He must watch the rhythm, not rush. He counts the pattern in his head. Smart thinking beats fast feet. Step, hop, wait. He moves only when the next stone turns bright. So close! He lands steady, like a real hero balancing on air. Made it! And look, right ahead, a new gate and a new puzzle. Up ahead, 3 tall pillars and a strange plate. This is an IQ test. Trial 2, fruit symbols. The floor plate needs the correct order. He watches carefully. The clue repeats again and again. He practices the order without touching. That is clever and calm. Press 1, then 2, then 3. Nice and steady. Yes! The gate unlocks. The pillars agree with a perfect pulse. Next challenge appears. Whoa! A wobbly rope bridge over open space. The rope bridge sways like jelly. One wrong step and it swings wildly. Trial 3 begins. He steps onto the bridge, slow and careful. The bridge wiggles. His arms go wide. He almost loses balance. He stops, breathes, and waits for the bridge to return to center. Now he moves in rhythm. Step, step, pause, like a dancing hero. The planks bounce, but he stays centered. Nice control. Three rolling logs spin non-stop. Timing will be everything. Trial 4, rolling logs. He steps onto the first one and crouches low. Whoa! It rolls under him! He slips a tiny bit and freezes. He notices the grippy edge. That is the secret spot to stand. He walks against the roll and jumps when the tops line up. One last transfer, smooth landing. He made the spinning path. And now, a shine tile road with mirrors. Another brain test. Those mirrors show a clue. The right path is hidden in reflections. Trial 5, mirror tiles. Some tiles are cracked. He must choose wisely. He compares the real tiles to the mirror view. Which ones match? He traces the safe route in the air. He is solving it like a detective. Step by step, he follows the reflected path, never touching a cracked tile. The correct tiles react under his feet. That means he is right. Done. The exit opens, and the next trial sounds windy and loud. A wind corridor. Spinning fans will push hard from both sides. Trial 6 begins. The wind shoves him sideways the moment he enters. He tries to walk, but the gusts fight back. This is tricky. He watches the fan rhythm. Strong gust, then a calm gap. He moves only in the calm moments. 2 steps, stop. 2 steps, stop. Gust again. He braces, then slides forward when it eases.
He clears the wind. And ahead is a seesaw puzzle with peach weights.
This seesaw gate opens only when both sides balance perfectly. Trial 7. Balance time. He picks up a weight and thinks hard. He tries one side, not level yet. Close, but not perfect. He spots the big balance mark. That line tells the truth. He places the weights carefully, and the seesaw settles toward center. Yes! It is perfectly level. The gate clicks open like magic. Next up, a crystal maze with scanning beams. This looks intense. Crystal walls and moving scan bars. He must slip through at the right time. Trial 8 begins. A scan bar sweeps across. He stops just in time. He studies the timing. Move too early, and the bar catches the path. He finds a longer, safe gap. Smart choice, not lucky choice. Dash! Stop! Dash! He hugs the corner and waits for the sweep. The bar passes, now go. He sneaks through with perfect timing. He escapes the maze. And look! 3 bells for a sound memory test. 3 bells will play a pattern. He must repeat it exactly. Trial 9. Listen. The bells play a simple order. Do not forget it.
He hesitates, then listens again. One more time to be sure. He rehearses the pattern in the air. Quiet practice makes it perfect.
Tap, tap, tap. He repeats the order, clean and confident. Correct! The lock releases. The gate slides open at last. Final trial ahead. A flowing slide straight toward the giant cake. A smooth water slide drops to the finish. The cake is so close now. Trial 10 begins. He looks down the slide and gulps, then smiles. Curve coming! He leans into it like a pro racer. The last bend. The cake pedestal grows bigger every second. He shoots out and lands neatly. What a heroic finish! He made it! The giant cake is right there, towering like a sweet mountain. Look at that frosting! He is so proud and so hungry. 10 trials completed. Our hero celebrates because he earned every crumb. He didn't rush. He solved, he waited, he learned, and now he wins. Thanks for watching. Come back for the next smart adventure on Peach Fairy Island.